So far, we have done the default inner join and we've created an outer or left join. And what we're going to be doing right now is a right outer join. And we're going to be modifying the text specialties query. So we're just going to go ahead and open that in design view. Let's save this under a different name just so that we don't accidentally save over the top of the query we want to keep. And we're going to call this unassigned work order. And then we do need to make several modifications to this. We're going to remove the text skill table. So we're just going to right click and remove the table. Now when we do that, the corresponding fields will also be removed. And we are going to add the work order table. So we're going to click on show table. And we're going to add work orders. And then we'll close out of here. Right now, work orders and technicians is operating on an inner join, which is the default. So it would only be showing technicians that have work orders. Now we are going to double click on this join line because what we want to see are all of the work orders, regardless of if a technician has been assigned or not. And so we're going to choose include all records from work orders and only those from technicians where the join fields are equal. So basically, we're going to see all of the work orders. If there's a technician assigned to a work order, great, it'll display them. If there is no technician, it's just going to leave the technician information empty. This is called a right join because we're basing everything on the right table. The right-hand table. So let's click OK. And now you're going to see kind of an arrow pointing to the left, indicating that we're going to see everything from work orders and only corresponding technicians that have been assigned to a work order. And they do want a couple additional fields added to the table. They want us to add work order, which kind of makes sense. Come on. And then we want a work order date and description. So anybody running this would actually be able to see if there were open work orders that didn't have technicians yet. They'd be able to get those technicians assigned to the work orders in a timely fashion. So we're going to save our changes and let's go ahead and run this. Okay, so you'll notice right at the top, these would be the work orders that whoever the business manager is, they would need to get technicians assigned to. Okay, it tells them the date and it also tells them the description so they can properly fit a technician to the order. Okay, so at this point, we're done with this. Make sure you've saved your changes and then go ahead and close.